Today, I am taking you 55 meters above the Seine to tell you about the Gustave Flaubert Bridge. So, what about the Flaubert Bridge? First of all, it is the sixth bridge in Rouen after the Joan of Arc, Boieldieu, Guynemer, Guillaume-le-Conquérant, Pierre Corneille and Mathilde bridges. This bridge, which was named Flaubert, a Rouen writer born on December 12, 1821 and who crosses the Seine, is the highest lift bridge in Europe and one of the new unusual places in the city. Built in 2008, in particular to relieve traffic congestion on the Guillaume-le-Conquérant and Mathilde bridges, it offers a modern architectural style. Its floor, that is to say the place where trucks and cars pass, can rise up to 55 meters high, thus allowing the largest sailboat in the world and sailing boats to approach it closer to the heart of the city, especially during the Armada. Regarding its dimensions, two additional pieces of information to know. This bridge has a span of 120 meters and its total height is 86 meters, which makes it the third tallest building in the city after the cathedral, located on the right bank, and the Tower Archives, located on the left bank. If you want to see the floor in action, that is to say rise in the air, I recommend that you come to Rouen during the Armada, the next edition of which is scheduled for June 8 to 18, 2023.